It is a very great action taken by ISPR by involving students in this summer camp, where we can learn about the history of the creation and how many soldiers died for the creation of Pakistan.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm very glad that ISPR took this initiative to bring the youth, the youngsters of Pakistan to the museum after what happened recently. We all know what happened in May, Pak in war, and now everyone is taking so much interest in the museum. We all used to visit this museum, but now I think everyone is taking special interest, which is a good thing. And it's very surprising that how many soldiers have martyred for this country. We should be thankful to them, we should pray for them, and I'm very glad for this activity that ISPR took for us.
This initiative has helped foster patriotism and appreciation among young students, particularly the youth of Pakistan, encouraging them to more oftenly interact. Such events should be taken and such reforms should be introduced in the future to make students more patriotic and let them reflect on the history in such a hands-on way. It is very appreciated, and I think that such reforms should be conducted in the future as well.
These sacrifices made by the people introduce the spirit of patriotism, and I am really hopeful that ISPR introduces such reforms in the future.
Today I'm here at Army Museum. So this is a very good initiative taken by ISPR for the awareness of the sacrifices and the hardship that our brave armed forces made.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आज हमने आर्मी म्यूज़ियम लाहौर का विज़िट किया, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, और जिसमें तलबा को और तालिबात को एक पूरी हिस्ट्री मुल्क पाकिस्तान की 1947 से लेके 2025 के बुनियाद मरसूस, जिसमें अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त ने पाक आर्मी को बहुत ज़्यादा तरक्की दी और फ़तह अता फ़रमाई। दुआ है अल्लाह ताला इस मुल्क को, इस पाक आर्मी को तरक्की दे और इस मुल्क को हमेशा कामयाबियाँ मिले। आमीन।